Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing a revision of your GK book, and in that true children, today we are going to continue with this, that is making a living. And this we are going to take it. Now making a living means what? Making a living means what do we do for our living? Fine. As you all are aware that for living and to survive we require different things. What do we require? We require food, we require clothes, we require a particular space in our house or particular house we require. So all these necessity from where do we will finish? हम ये सारी रिक्वायरमेंट कहाँ से फिनिश करेंगे? फॉर फिलिंग अप विद ऑल दोज नीड वी रिक्वायर टू वर्क. हमें काम करना पड़ेगा. तो काम करने के लिए व्हाट डू वी डू? हम क्या करेंगे? सो फॉर डूइंग द वर्क वी रिक्वायर दैट थिंग लाइक कि हम एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन को बिलोंग करेंगे. इफ़ यू विल टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माइंड दैट आई एम बिलोंगिंग टू दिस प्रोफेशन दैट आई एम अ टीचर. तो मैं एक टीचर हूँ एंड आई एम टीचिंग द चिल्ड्रन एंड वॉट एवर आई अर्न फ्रॉम देयर. मैं वहाँ से जो भी अर्न करती हूँ दैट विल हेल्प मी टू मेक माई लिविंग. मेक अ लिविंग मीन्स कि वट एवर यू विल डू फॉर योर लिविंग. आपको रहना है, हाउ यू कैन सर्वाइव, हाउ यू कैन लिव. So for living you require that certain amount of money or certain amount of money which will help you to live. So that we are going to take it and वही क्या करते हैं कि we do have different professions. Professions मतलब लोग अलग अलग लोग हैं and they were doing different job, different उनके काम हैं that they were doing. अब वो जो अलग अलग काम करते हैं they were doing that job for their living. Now few of the common job like teacher का है तो teacher का job तो you already know कि okay teaching is one of the profession. Then army officer that also you are knowing. So just like that here we are going to talk about some of the professionals which are quite different जो बहुत अलग है. And you have to read the clues and given under each picture identify these people and pick your answers from the help box. So help box we do not require. Now here the first one. I write the words of songs. I hope you all have heard that what song were sung by the singers. जो ये songs होते हैं who were sung by the singers. Somebody will write it. कोई तो उसको लिखता होगा. And one who write it जो उसको लिखता है and they were only getting that particular kind of a profession जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं song writer. One who write the songs they are known as song writer. जो songs लिखते हैं they are known as song writer. Now what next is there? One who write the words of the song they are known as songwriter. Now number 2. This number 1, one who write the words of the song they are known as songwriter or they are also known as lyricist. And very huge names are there in that lyricist also. Javed Akhtar is a huge name who is a lyricist. He was writing songs. वो songs लिखते हैं. They were not singing it. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो गाएं भी. They were only writing those songs. वो songs को लिखते हैं and I write the words of song. So they are known by this profession that is lyricist or songwriter. Now number 2, I design and develop video games. So video game developer. They are known as video game developer. because they designed and developed video games. Now design means what? They have to make a outlook of that how they will do that, how they will opt for that. So that they will be getting that how to design, and वो पहले एक पूरा उसका फॉर्मेट तैयार कर लेते, डिज़ाइन तैयार कर लेते, एंड देन दे आर डेवलपिंग दोज वीडियो गेम्स. So that is their number 2. Now we'll come to number 3. Video game developer is the second answer. Video game developer. Now we'll come to number 3. I make breads and cakes. हम क्या बनाते हैं? They are making breads and cakes. So breads and cakes were made by the person who doing work in bakery, or that person is known as baker, because bread और cakes कैसे बनते हैं? They were made by baking. Fine. तो baker जो होता है, one who bakes. Now we'll come to number 4. I teach students how to play football. So who is he? That he teach student how to play football. Number 5. Number 4, I teach student how to play football. So that person is known as football coach. And if somebody who is telling to tell that how to play this basketball or cricket or other games, so that person is known as coach for that particular game. So this coach is what? That he teach the students how to play football. That is football coach. Number 5, I treat disease of the teeth and gums. Who treat the disease for teeth and gums? That is your doctor. That is dentist. Doctor में भी we have separate kind of a doctors. आपने सुना होगा कि that this doctor is cardiologist, जो हार्ट का पेशेंट जो होते हैं, they were going. Then some of the doctors are orthologist, that is जिनको ortho means हड्डियों की प्रॉब्लम होती है, they were going to them. Some of the doctors are surgeon, जो operations वगैरह जो भी ऑपरेट कराना है, they were going to them. तो these doctors are particularly belongs to that particular कम्युनिटी. तो ये जो डॉक्टर्स हैं जो ट्रीट करते हैं टीथ एंड गम्स के बारे में, और दे विल कंसल्ट और द पेशेंट दोज हु हैव अ कंसर्न अबाउट टीथ एंड गम्स, तो दे विल गो देयर. तो ये कौन है? ये दीज आर डेंटिस्ट. नाउ कम टू नंबर 6. आई फ्लाई एन एयरक्राफ्ट. सो दैट इज पायलट. पायलट जो एयरक्राफ्ट उड़ाते हैं, दोज हु आर flying aeroplane, helicopter, they all comes in the category of pilot only. Fine. So that is aircraft. So I was discussing this chapter, that is making a living. What do we do for getting money for our daily concern? हम रोज हमें पैसे की रिक्वायरमेंट है. What do we do? वो हम यहाँ making a living में. So children, you will ask that only these many professions were there? No. Apart from that we have many professions. और भी बहुत सारे professions हैं. And people, those who are working for that different profession, उनके भी नाम बहुत सारे हैं कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं those who are working for that different profession. तो हम वो भी याद रखेंगे, है ना. तो this making a living is quite interesting topic. ओके. अभी इसमें ये जो पेज है, ऑन दिस पेज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट टिटबिट्स इज देयर. नाउ व्हाट इज दैट टिटबिट्स? दैट अ जॉकी राइड्स हॉर्सेस इन हॉर्स रेसिंग. अपार्ट फ्रॉम जो भी अभी हमने जितने भी 6 हमने किए हैं मेकिंग अ लिविंग अबाउट द डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस, ये 3 प्रोफेशंस आर क्वाइट बिट डिफरेंट. That a jockey rides horses in horse racing. Jockey means the rider of horse. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Jockey बोलते हैं. Now we'll come to B part. A radio jockey presents talk shows on radio. Radio jockey कौन है? Radio jockey वो है who presents talk show on radio. Fine, आपने रेडियो अगर आपने कभी सुना होगा, you will find it out. One person who is sitting and introducing himself or herself with this, that RJ रौनक, RJ दीपाली, RJ स्तुति, whatever. तो वो है RJ means what? Radio jockey. Radio jockey, and they present stock shows on radio. Now we'll come to next, a disc jockey. Disc jockey is also known as DJ. Fine. DJ is the common word. I hope you all have heard about DJ. DJ तो सबने सुना होगा. That is your disc jockey. Now disc jockey plays music for people in clubs and parties. Clubs and parties में जो disc jockey होते हैं, जो ये DJ वाले होते हैं, they were playing the songs. So again that is an important community, disc jockey. So all these three belongs to three different professions. Jockey who rides horse in horse racing. A radio jockey presents talk shows on radio. A disc jockey plays music for people in clubs and parties. Disc jockey कौन है? जो DJ जो songs play करते हैं in your clubs and parties. So that is an important thing, and this chapter is very important. Now what do you have to do it? आपको ये याद करना है. You have to learn. क्या याद करना है? Different professions. If I'll ask that tell me 3 different professions apart from your book which works to make their living. So you are going to learn, like you can speak the name of teacher, leader, politician, or you can take name of officers. All these names you can take it. So with this we have finished with this topic, that is making a living. Making a living. Now children, I am going to start the next topic that is related to our country. I love my India. Because already about states we were doing in the class. States के बारे में we are already doing in the class. So that also I am going to consider in this lecture only. हम ये country के बारे में करेंगे, as well as we are going to do it about the states also. तो यहाँ पे मैं I am going to consider the states also. I love my India. Noe needs your help to identify the national symbols of India. So here I am going to talk about the national symbols only. There are different national symbols. Although you all must be knowing it, but still I am taking a revision of this. Number 1, our national animal is. Which is our national animal? That is tiger. Tiger is a national animal. Fine. Don't get confused with lion. Ki lion is a national animal. No. Tiger is a national animal. Now we'll come to number 2 question. A national flower is lotus. National flower is lotus. The picture which is given, that is of correct answers. जो पिक्चर में आपको गिवन है, लाइक टाइगर की पिक्चर गिवन है, देन लोटस का फ्लावर गिवन है, देन नेक्स्ट इज अ नेशनल बर्ड, दैट इज पीकॉक इज गिवन, दैट इज, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज पीकॉक. So these pictures have been given to make it understand you all कि what is the correct answer and how you have to learn it. And looking at the picture you can easily conclude that okay, this is the correct answer. Now we'll come to number 4. Our national fruit is the mango. Mango is the national fruit. Now we'll come to why mango is only the national fruit. That also I have told you that in India only we will be getting more than 300 variety of mangoes. So mango comes in the national fruit of India. Become the national fruit of India. Now number 5, the national tree is the banyan tree. The national tree is the banyan tree. Don't give that pronunciation banyan tree. It's not banyan tree. It is banyan tree. Now number 6, our national emblem is. Which is a national emblem? The lion capital. Which is a national emblem. Ashok Chakra is not a national emblem. National emblem you might have seen on army person or those who are there in defense. उनकी कैप पे वो ऐसा भारत का ऐसा माँ के बना रहता है national emblem. Having 4 lions in it. 4 lions होते हैं. अशोक चक्र is there in your flag. वो flag में present होता है. But here जो ये है लायंस कैपिटल इन विच वी वर हैविंग 4 लायंस, जिसमें हमारे पास 4 लायंस होते हैं. दीज 4 लायंस वर देयर इन आवर नेशनल एम्बलम. वो हमारे नेशनल एम्बलम में दीज 4 लायंस वर देयर. सो दीज आर द फ्यू क्वेश्चन विच इज रिलेटेड टू योर कैपिटल ऑफ आवर कंट्री. So now I am going to revise, I will make you revise the 2 pages which we have done in our previous class. That also we are going to revise it. That is who lives where. Who lives where. So Noi friends live in different states of India, although in our online class we have done revision of these different states. And I have told you that you have to learn about these different states. आपको मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी बोला था दैट यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट दीज डिफरेंट states. So whatever states have been given in your book that you are going to do it. Apart from that you have to learn different states like not only Kolkata and this Gandhinagar and all. So you have to remember different states, like few of the children they have learned also different name of the states, because India is formed by combining 28 states. India में already we have 28 states. So if you are going to start learning it, that 1, 2, 3, 4 capitals, states and their capital and their regional languages. Few of the questions I have told you earlier also that regional languages or the total official languages in India is 22. Total number of states is 28. And this Noi's friend live in different states of India. Now we are going to help Noi to guess the different states. Now Arnab lives in Kolkata. Arnab lives in Kolkata. He speaks Bengali and celebrates Durga Puja. He belongs to, yes, I hope you all are knowing this answer, that is West Bengal. Now one more thing, that Bengal, the folk dance is Bengali dance, and they are a big huge producer of Bengali saris also. And this Durga Puja is the festival which is celebrated at this time, this Navratri festival, when we will be having this Navratri of this Dashera one. So in that on 7th day they started praying this goddess Durga. They will keep the idol of goddess Durga, and then mostly the people those who belongs to West Bengal, they celebrate this Durga Puja very often. So now this Arnab lives in Kolkata. So Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. So here the correct answer will be West Bengal. Folk dance also I am telling you. Regional language of Bengal is Bengali. The people those who are speaking or those who are living over there, they are speaking Bengali. So the regional language become Bengali. तो बेटा इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. इफ आई आस्क की व्हाट इज द रीजनल लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट प्लेस, तो रीजन में जो भी भाषा बोली जाती है, लेट्स से उत्तर प्रदेश के रीजन में मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे वर स्पीकिंग भोजपुरी, तो यहाँ की रीजनल लैंग्वेज क्या हो गई है, भोजपुरी हो गई है. सो ही बिलोंग्स टू दैट पर्टिकुलर state, that is West Bengal. Now we'll come to number 2. Alka lives in Gandhinagar. She speaks Gujarati and loves to play dandiya. So she belongs to, now Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. So see, she speaks Gujarati. Regional language will become Gujarati, and folk dance of Gujarat will be Dandiya. And Gujaratis, they fond of eating different dishes, hokla, fafda, thepla, and many more dishes were there, which are quite famous from Gujarat. Gujarat say all these dishes are quite famous. So that also you will remember, regional language is Gujarati. Now we'll come to number 3, that Vinod lives in Mumbai. You can see that two children on this left side. On this left side, see, these two children, they were praying Ganpati Bappa ji, Ganpati or Ganesh ji. Vinod lives in Mumbai. He speaks Marathi. Again, Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra, and they speaks Marathi. It means their regional language is Marathi, which is one of the official languages, and they celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. He belongs to Maharashtra. They very often play this, celebrating this Ganesh Chaturthi. They love to play. Ganesh Chaturthi is the festival of 11 days. इसमें क्या करते हैं, they'll keep the ideals of गणपति जी. जो गणेश जी होते हैं उनके आइडियल्स, जो छोटी छोटी मूर्तियों को they will स्थापित करते हैं. they are keeping it at home for 11 days. फिर उनको विसर्जित करते हैं in that water, river में, और if they do not have river तो oceans में, वहाँ पे submerged करके आते हैं. So that is there. So Vinod lives in Mumbai and he speaks Marathi and celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. He belongs to Maharashtra. So mostly Maharashtrian people celebrate this Ganesh Chaturthi a lot. ये गणेश चतुर्थी का जो फेस्टिवल है, that was celebrated in Mumbai or in Maharashtra maximum. But now a few of the festival which were celebrated in rest of the country also. कंट्री के दूसरे एरियाज में, दूसरे स्टेट्स में भी they started celebrating all these festivals. So that is again an important thing. Mumbai में what is next which is famous, that is Gateway of India. So that also you will remember. Gateway of India किसने बनवाया था? Gateway of India बनवाया था Britishers ने. When their first Queen Elizabeth was coming to our country, तो उनको welcoming के लिए they have made it. So that you are going to make it, or that you are going to remember. Now we'll come to fourth one. Meena lives in Chennai and speaks Tamil. Now about Tamil, what is important? Tamil is the oldest language in the history of India. India की सबसे पुरानी भाषा, that is what? That is Tamil. So Tamil, the people, those who are living in Tamil Nadu, they specially speak Tamil. तो वहाँ की जो regional language है, that will become Tamil. Regional language Tamil हो गई. And then capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, and she celebrates Pongal. Means that Meena who lives in Chennai, which is the new name of Madras. Chennai जो है, that is capital city of Tamil Nadu, and earlier the name of Chennai is Madras. तो पहले इसका नाम क्या था? चेन्नई का मद्रास था नाम. And they celebrates, she celebrates Pongal. Now what do you mean by this Pongal? Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Harvest festival होता है जब भी नई फसल आती है, राइस जब हटाया जाता है, निकाला जाता है, then at that time they were celebrating Pongal. और जो इसका एक पार्ट होता है, जो भी whatever they have grown in their field, उसका एक पार्ट जो होता है, that will be given to the God. वो God को दिया जाता है, God Son को, that will be given to them. So that also you are going to keep it in your mind, that Tamil Nadu, the regional language is Tamil, that capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Okay, now they celebrate Pongal. So all these things you will do it. Now we'll come to number 5, that Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. So Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. He belongs to Punjab. करण जो है वो कहाँ रहता है? चंडीगढ़ में रहता है. एंड ही सेलिब्रेट्स लोहरी एंड स्पीक्स पंजाबी. वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं लोहरी एंड दे स्पीक्स पंजाबी. सो ही बिलोंग्स टू विच स्टेट? So he belongs to Punjab. Now Punjab and Haryana, they both are sharing a common capital. पंजाब का भी कैपिटल हरियाणा चंडीगढ़ है and the capital of Haryana is also Chandigarh. So that you are going to remember. Now this I am going to show it to you. ये मैं जो आपको चैप्टर्स अब करा रही हूँ, this I am showing you from your book. आपकी बुक का ही है, with pictures. So you will remember this all the questions with these pictures itself. Now number 5, Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. So he belongs to Punjab. Now we'll come to number 6. Number 6 is what? Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assamese. Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assamese. Now Dispur is the capital city of Assam. So she belongs to Assam. So Brinda lives in Dispur. Here the regional language of Assam is Assamese. So that is used in their official work also. So that is again an official language. As you can see that all in these 6 states you will be having 6 different languages. 6 states में 6 different languages है. So out of that we will be able to understand, means अगर 6 different languages अलग अलग है, it means that regional languages मैंने आपको बताया official languages of India is 22. So that is purely correct. वो बिल्कुल सही है. क्यों सही है? Because that 22 states were 22 languages were there from 28 states. Some of the states are sharing a common regional languages like Uttar Pradesh Hindi is there, Bihar Hindi is there, Jharkhand Hindi is there, Uttarakhand that is Garhwali is there, but that is Chhattisgarh. There also they were sharing this Hindi only. तो कुछ जगह पे तो हिंदी ही है and rest of the states they were having their own regional languages. So children, in today's class we have revised this who lives where, that is your chapter that is related to states and capital. So I hope you all have understood the name of different states and its capital, and you have understood this also that you have to learn about different states. So now here I am going to finish the class for today, and I'll give you a quick revision what we have done today. So let's start with that. First we have done with making a living. What do we do for getting money for our daily need? That we have done. After that we have done I love my India, different national symbols we have done, and then very important part of this chapter, that is making, after making a living, then we have to do I love my India and then who lives where. See, आपको states and capital तो याद करना है, that is for must, and in the UT exam or in evaluation too I am going to ask from you all that what are the different states and their capital. So children, I hope these 3 pages which we have done, that is 7, 9 and 10. So that will be clear to you all. Here I am going to finish the class for today, and tomorrow we are going to take the next of the pages or the chapters from the book, and that we will do it in tomorrow's session. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day, be safe, be healthy, and keep revising page number 7, 9 and 10. So good